Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this body is designed here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a very important new design create and this design is very useful and helpful for a beginner student, is very important for a new design is learn here. This plate is very important point is discuss here, and today discuss a new point is created here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and also new design in this channel is also available here, and how to this body is designed. And guys, this is a multi-section view. Okay, this is a single plate design here, and this is a beautiful, and this is a very looking perfect, and front side and back side is also looking perfect, and a beginner student is very important, and also a professional student is also this is a this idea, and this new plate design is useful learn here. Okay, and let's start here. This is a how to create this bodies easily and clearly. Okay okay At first, select this mechanical design and use a generative sheet metal design. Click OK, and this plane is use this XY plane, and this is a use a position sketch and drawing this. And at first, select this center rectangle is very important, because this center rectangle is very useful, and mention any dimension is a this length and this width. This is a correct, and dimension is a this is a 365 is correct, and width is a 245. And all dimension is millimeter, because all is a perfect, and some use this corner is a this select all. Select all 4 point, and then use this is a 42. This is a correct and perfect. This is a correct, and then use exit and this this uh, this point is very important, and this is a sheet metal parameters. And at first, select a sheet metal parameters, because all command is not activated, and at first this sheet metal parameters, then all other command is activated. And you can see here on the screen all command is activated, because at first select this sheet metal parameters. And this sheet metal parameters is a this is a all value is changeable, and this thickness is 1 millimeter, and this default bend radius is 2 millimeter is correct, and this default bend radius is 2 millimeter is correct. This is a correct, and then select this wall is a select this, and direction is invert material side, and this. This is a perfect, and this is a looking so nice here, and this is a correct. This sheet is created here easily and clearly, and this is a this all plane is hide, because this body is looking perfect, and at first select this face, and then again select this position sketch. Select position a sketch and click OK. This is a perfect. And some use a offset command. Offset command is used here, and this is a click offset, and anywhere is click here, and this is a correct. Okay, and this value is changeable, and this value is change here minus 10 point. Okay, minus 10.2 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this is a click exit. And at first select this surface stamp command is used here because this boundary is created here, and surface stamp definition box is pop up, and all is dimension is change here, and angle, this angle is 90 degree, and height is 6.4. okay, this is a 6.4 is correct. And okay, and this is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. And this first radius is 3.2, and then second radius is also change here, this is 3.1 is better. Okay, and this preview is showing here, this is click OK. Okay, this is a boundary is created here. Okay, and this face is again select here, and this use a position sketch and drawing, click OK. This is a perfect. And some geometry is drawing here, and then this design is created here. Okay, okay, at first select this center rectangle. Center rectangle is this. Okay, this is a perfect. And again select a circle. Circle is this. This is a perfect looking here. And okay, and two select a two elongated hole is select here, and this is a first elongated hole. Okay, and again select a second elongated hole. Two elongated hole is select here one by one, and this design is created here. Okay, all is dimension is mentioned here. Okay, and at first select this corner, and this radius is all point is cover here. Okay, this is a correct. All point is cover, and then use this is a 18 millimeter is correct. Okay, and dimension is mentioned here, and this length is a this okay, this width is correct, and again select this point. Okay, again select this point, and this is a length is correct, and again select this point, and this point is correct, and this is a correct, and also this is a correct, and this diameter is correct, perfect, and some distance is a, and this distance is a this point, and this point is a correct. Okay, and select this distance is perfect, and also this distance, and this is a correct, and also this point is a distance is a this distance, and this is a correct. Okay, and some this distance. Okay, and this point is a okay, this is a okay, not defined, but okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and one by one is all dimension is mentioned here. This is a 190 is correct. Okay, and this distance is 15 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 180 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this dimension is a 90. Okay, and this is a 15 millimeter is better, and also this is a 15 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a 15 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a 25 millimeter is better, and this distance is a 25. Okay, this is a 20 is better, and also this is a 20 is better. Okay, okay, all is looking perfect, but this is a 10, and also this is a 30 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and okay, but this distance is a this is a distance is a 100 is correct, but this is a 110 is correct, and 95 is better. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this is a 22 is correct, and also this is a 22 is better. Eight millimeter, and again select a this is a 28 is correct. 29 is better. Okay, and this is a 92 is correct. Okay, okay, all is perfect. Okay, this distance is a okay, this is a correct, and this distance is a 100 is okay, and also this distance and this distance is a looking perfect, but not mentioned here, and this is a 65 is 60. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and correct, 60. Okay, okay, this is a very looking nice here, and all dimension is correct. Okay, this point not so here, but this is a 8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, 105 is better. Okay, okay, all dimension is looking so nice here, and this is all is looking clearly so here, and this is a perfect, all dimension is correct, and this is a 1 this is a 190 is better. Okay, all is looking perfect, and correct. Okay, and then this is exit, and some use this surface stamp command is used here, and this is a this angle is 90 degree, and this height is 4.42 millimeter is correct, and again this first radius is 4.1 millimeter is correct, and second radius is 5.2 millimeter is correct, and this preview is showing here. But this height is 52 is better, and okay, this preview is showing here, this is a correct, but this is a 56 is also better, and this is a correct, and click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this is a correct, but some height is also changed here, this is a 62 is better, and preview is showing here, this is a correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this is a material is apply here, and also one point is a okay, this is a use this shading with edge without a smooth edge. Click here, and this boundary is a apply here, and this command is use a teardrop command is used here, and this length is 2 millimeter, and also radius is 2 millimeter is correct, and upper line is select here one by one, and all is select here, and this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this all is line, click here, and then okay, okay, this is boundary is apply here, and this boundary is very important, and this body is looking perfect, and this material is apply here, and this is also change here shading with material, because at first select this, and then material is apply here, and material is a this is a metal, and apply this steel, and this is a correct, and again select a steel, right click and going to property, and this reflectivity is very high, and use a this golden color, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a this body is design here, and this plate body is a new plate design, and how to this body is easily and clearly learn here. Okay, all process is one by one is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, 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 this is a perfect. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all process and all method is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.